So we're headed back to Kentucky. It's May 1st. The season's going to close this weekend, so we're going to give it one last try. We're actually going to be hunting the property that the guy that was going to take us to Alabama, he said the birds there in Alabama just weren't quiet, weren't gobbling or nothing, so he said that we can go hunt his property here in Kentucky. He's got a real nice farm. He's killed a bird off there himself, and I think maybe his boy killed one, and his grandson. So, but he said there's still a bunch of birds on it, so we're gonna go try that this weekend. Hunt tomorrow morning, and then hopefully hunt again Saturday morning. So hopefully get something done this morning. But the weather's looking pretty good. It looks like some rain tomorrow, so hopefully they'll be gobbling in the morning and see if we can get something done. Alright, so we were working a bird this morning, and he was gobbling right over here, and he was probably within 100 yards, but he flew down. There were some hands with him, and they started yelping, and he flew down, and I think they headed away from us because I just crow called it. He sounded further away, so we might slip back up where we parked, come around. There's some more fields that they probably are headed to, and see if we can't get ahead of them. But there's some other hens out in the field right now, but I think if we cut around, we might be able to get in front of him, maybe fan him in or do something like that. So, but yeah, he just didn't come to this field this morning. So, but he was gobbling like crazy.
Dude, let's go. Yes. You shot your first turkey. Dude, you just shot your first turkey. Dude, that was some of the most awesome hunt. Them birds, 15 yards strut. I mean, literally, they're still ahead. These birds have not been pressure hard. Look at that bird. Dude, let's go.
Let's go, man.
First bird, and he's an absolute giant. Dude, get his spurs. Dude, look at them hooks. Dude, that's a giant. Oh my goodness, dude. He's got a literally, it's got to be 11 to 12 inch beard. Dude, you smoked him. Dude, he's